airport? Rocket?
Is that your rocket? At the airport?
คุณครูครับจะลงของเล่นเป็นซ้อนหลังนี่ซ้อนหลังเลยครับ
Two rockets? Best?
What have you got? That's a big tall rocket. Is that a rocket?
No
Or is that what holds the rocket up? Wow, that's
Rocket.
a rocket. You want to put it on the airport? Can we put this on the airport?
Let's go on the
This is a big landing
beach.
strip for the planes. So they